Hi! Recently, I found a couple of ways that I can invest my time as a Blender artist. After I put in the initial time on these two tactics, I ended up saving loads of repetitive work. The main reason that I put so much emphasis on time is that I can never get my time back. It's different with money. Money can be earned back, but there are no returns on your misspent time. That said, here's the first way I invest my time as a Blender artist. I might make a video tutorial down the road about making material libraries, but an easy way to do it is just to append a bunch of materials that you've already created into one blend file. Once you've done that, you can just append materials from that library into any scene that you're currently working on. It's pretty important to name the materials in your library. It gets messy otherwise. The second way that I invest my time is, if you put in the time to make a good kitbash pack, it's insane the results that you can get later on. The little baby brother to building kitbash packs is reusing old models that you made for previous projects. Okay, that's it. Material libraries and kitbash packs. If you want to jumpstart into the wonderful world of kitbashing, I made a free pack of hydraulics for you. There's a link in the description. Cheers!